Hi, my name is Himadri Sinha. I am a student of B.Pharm final year at Sister Nivedita University, and I got placed in a multinational company that's GlaxoSmithKline with an handsome package of 4.1 LPA. Thanks to all my teachers, my faculty members for helping me to achieve my dreams. Thank you so much.
Good morning. Myself Saptesh Shekhar, student of Bachelor of Pharmacy, final year. I am been in the 4th year now, but I have got a placement from my college in GlaxoSmithKline, and I think for my career, this company is the best of one of my career to go and develop my career in this field. I got a medical association job, which is one of my dream job, which I really want to take when I was joining in a pharmacy. I got a 4.1 LPA of a handsome package. I am really happy with my faculties and my HODs to give me these golden opportunities.